Hey everybody, welcome to this radio video. I'll do a little series today that I'm going to call a walk in the park. Why? Because got the CountyComm GP5 SSB, and I'll be taking regular walks to the park, showing you guys that even if it's not that far, just a little park. So here, this is a park that's like 5 minutes from my home. And you know, I'm not that far from the homes. You can see that there's houses there. Well, I'll show you that even just a little walk in the park like this can actually bring you a lot of DX or a lot of stations. And we're going to be using the easy tuning mode. Of course, I'll be tuning around a little more, so if there's anything happening, I'll be checking out a few of the amateur bands and stuff like that. But here we go. So I just use ET tuning mode. Easy tuning mode is a cool feature of a few Texan receivers in which it just searches for all the signals that it can hear. So technically here in the park I'll have lower noise, and that's why I went to the park, because if I do the same tuning at home I'll have probably half if not a quarter of the signals. It's surprising. Now, I'm not at the best time of the day to do this. It's 18 something UTC right now. I think I can't show the display while I'm on the easy tuning mode, but it's around 18:15, 18:20 UTC, and I'm going to let it scan. So of course, you know, that's here local time 2 p.m. It's pretty much midday, so I don't expect to have a million signals, but I do expect to have it find a few signals of interest. Of course, when I do the easy tuning mode here, you see that there's a number at the top there. This is the number of signals that it is finding. So 2 means it's actually searching for a second signal. It's already registered 1. And as it's going to tune, of course, it's going to find other signals, and the counter should actually go up from slowly. So this is, you know, one example that just moving ahead near, even if you're, you know, near houses, but at least further away because of, you know, being inside a park where there's really nothing much more. There's, you know, a little bit of electricity here, of course, because you see the lighting system and all of that. But on you know, overall, it's much lower noise still than I would get at home on my ICOM or even just, you know, tuning around. So you see here we're at 14, so it's finding a lot of signals. I would do the same scan at home. I don't think I'd be more than 2 and 3 right now. Because a lot of the signals are there. They're just hidden in the noise. So I'm going to go through the scan, and we'll be back in a second video where we're going to tune around, see what it found in just a few moments.